Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Diego's Garage. Today we're going to be installing some headers from Texas Speed on the Camaro. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's get to it.
You're goddamn right.
If you guys remember from last video, the headers that it had right now were really rusted. I had to cut the white pipe off in order to remove it. Someone welded it. And the clamps, the balls, they broke off, so it was time to upgrade. Let's go check out what we have. Yeah, Texas Speed 178 98 to 02 Camaro LS1. I opted for the catted white pipe. Just gotta put it all together with clamps. The kit also came with ARP header bolts, gaskets, and O2 extensions. Let's get to it. Alright, here I started taking off the coil wires, the bolts on each side of the engine. The passenger side of things was very tight fitting, but got it done. Driver's side was way easier. Alright, once I took off the header bolts, I started taking off the old headers. I started with the passenger side of things, then I moved my way to the driver's side of things. The driver's side was kind of tricky, but managed to make work, just needed some finessing. Good to go. Back to the junk pile it goes. Alright, out with the old, in with the new. Started with the passenger side of things since it's more easier. Then I made my way to the driver's side. Driver's side was a little tricky too. Just gotta finesse it, put the angles, and it got right in. There you go. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys. I already got the headers in place. Just need to bolt it on now, both sides.
The next day.
Alright, next day. Got the headers on, gaskets on, bolted, torqued down to 18 foot-pounds. Looks good, don't it?
Yes, it is.
Now I just gotta connect the spark plug wires and then connect the white pipe. Let's get to it. Alright y'all, got the wires on both sides of things. Passenger side. Got the white pipe on. Catted white pipe. Put the brace back on. Had to take it off. It was in the way. And I got it connected to the SLP muffler, which is great. I don't have to take it to a muffler shop, have them weld it or a pipe or whatever. But it all buttoned up nice. Got the O2 sensors connected. I also put some insulation on the wiring. I don't know if you guys can see there. Well, nice, safe, and protected, so the wires don't burn off. Alright, headers are on. White pipe's on. Connected to the cat back. Let's turn it on and see what it sounds like.
I love Camaro.
Alright, now I'm gonna put the car back down, take off the jack stands, let's get this car back on the road.
Shh. Something's coming.
What?
Listen and learn.
Aluminum V8, bald eagle, fire breathing machine, F body. Man, oh man, she sounds freaking good. With the TSP headers, wide pipe, and along with the SLP catback, it's a good combination. Has a good tone to it. Not too loud, but not too quiet either. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching Diego's Garage. Please like and subscribe for more videos. See you guys in the next one. Peace.